Who's my godfather?
Because we know General Obasanjo is your godfather.
That's your...
That was the man who got you into Ekiti State as military administrator.
That is... maybe you two have been hooked by their propaganda. I came to politics through Gbenga, who invited me into politics.
Gbenga invited you to politics?
Yes.
The same man that you who are loggerheads.
I'm not at loggerheads with anybody. At the point we became separated was just that point where we have parallel primaries.
Why did you come to bite the finger that fed you?
Which finger? Of that Gbenga? No, please.
Now let me talk a bit about your running mate.
Yes. Yes.
And this was a man who was fired as a local government chairman. Is your running mate? Don't you think it's enough liability for you?
Then INEC would not have allowed him to run if he has contravened any law.
Are you saying he was not fired?
Whether you are fired or not fired, the electoral law is very clear. If he has done anything that he could not be a candidate in this election, INEC will not have allowed him.
It's fireworks all the way. Join us every Thursday at 8 p.m.